Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super wonderful. Thank you guys so much for coming in for another video today, and of course I am always happy to bring you guys videos every week, whether it's a Wednesday or a Sunday. As long as your notifications are turned on, you would be notified every time I upload a video. And of course, whenever I'm talking about any skincare related products, I always like to come and sit before you guys with absolutely no makeup on my face. Like today, I have my lashes on, black eyeliner, and my lip balm from EOS, and that's it. So we are just going to be talking about some skincare today. And of course, I do have questions all the time about my skin, so we're just going to talk about all of those things. And so my skincare journey began about 6 years ago, approximately. And I realized that during that time, I have issues with my skin. Yes, I was wearing makeup and all of these wonderful things on my face, but then I realized my makeup was looking good, but my makeup was shifting, the oils were seeping through. Am I using the wrong products? What's the deal? So at that time, I was just using products that was alcohol based and had all kinds of products in it that was basically harming my skin. My skin was actually very patchy and uneven. And now when I look back at some of my videos and see my skin now, it's such a huge difference. My skin has completely brightened up, completely even out, okay? Especially for black women, you know, you do have sometimes this dark spot in the side of your face and you think to yourself, wait a minute, I could never get rid of that. Trust me when I tell you, you can 100% clear up your skincare issues. All of the skincare products that I have used when I've started my skincare journey are all from the drugstore. You do not have to go high end to buy expensive skincare products to achieve skincare results. You can get them right at your beauty supply store or from your drugstore. Trust me, you can. Things like Clinique, Oil of Olay, L'Oreal Paris. These are amazing skincare brands. Garnier. These are amazing skincare products that you can use to achieve beautiful skin. When I realized that my skin was beginning to clear, I added different things in between. And of course, you know, times has changed where there is no alcohols, no dyes, no parabens, and anything harmful in the skincare products to harm your skin. And especially women of color, it's always difficult, I find, to really find good skincare products that would work on our skin, because of course the melanin in our skin is different to Caucasian skin. So we need to be very careful about the products that we use in our skin, whereby you're not going to have any burning and irritations and rashes and stuff like that on your skin. Is very important. So when you are buying skincare products, make sure you look for the ingredients first. As long as it says no dye, no parabens, and all of these nasty things that's going to harm your skin, make sure those things are excluded from your skincare products before you put them on your face. And when you start using these products, give yourself at least 3 weeks maximum, 3 to 4 weeks, just to ensure that these products are working for you. Always do a patch test just by the chin, just to make sure that you're not getting any breakouts, any rashes, any irritations and stuff like that. Because, you know, although we all have skin, you know, I can react differently to a skincare product that you are using, or you can react differently to a product that I am using. And so I have done a lot of research. I have used a lot of products, and I'm still using a lot of skincare products, which I do alternate all the time. And on my website, you are going to find loads of information on skincare products that I have used, and I'm going to continue to use these products because they are so beneficial for my skin. And so when I realized my skin started to clear up, I started to use things like Fenty Beauty, Paula's Choice, and other medium to high-end skincare brand just for maintenance. Things like Korres and all of that. They are amazing skincare products that made such a big difference on my skin. So again, make sure that you understand your skin types. Am I oily? Am I oily combination? Am I dry? And look for the products that's going to target, that's the word, target your skincare needs. It's very, very important that you do that. Okay? So when you realize that your skin is beginning to change and lighten up and even out, and the dark patches are just gone from your skin, you can incorporate things like face masks and face scrubs, gentle face scrubs on your skin. Please stay away from face masks that will peel and pull and tug and irritate your skin. Face masks like Garnier Skin Active, these masks are loaded with hyaluronic acid that will gently exfoliate your skin and make your skin even and bright and tighten those pores. So it's not the type of skincare mask that you're going to peel and wash off your face. You're just going to simply remove the mask and massage the rest of the products into your skin. I've done demonstration in this for you guys already, so you would see. And with consistency, you guys are going to see a massive difference on your skin. Trust me, guys, it will work. So when you're thinking of drugstore products, I think of products like Clinique. If you do have oily skin, oily combination skin, the Clinique 3-piece system is fantastic to use. You do have the cleanser, this is the toner, and there's a moisturizer. This is going to help to suck in that oil and to make your skin beautiful and mattified. Then you can go in with your makeup. Make sure you go in with a serum as well, whichever serum that you think that's going to work for your skin. I mean, there are some skincare serums that I just can't use, that I find that will sting my skin. Your serums are not supposed to sting your skin. If it's stinging your skin and making your skin irritated, there is something in that serum that is not working for your skin. The serums from Sephora, the vitamin A and E serum is a beautiful serum to use. It's non-greasy and that absorbs directly into your skin. The serum from Avni is a hydrating serum. This is also going to help to hydrate your skin as well, and it's not going to burn or sting your skin. These are some options for you as well, okay? Now, if you want to really begin your skincare journey, the Fenty Beauty 3-piece system is a fantastic skincare 3-piece system to start with. You do have the cleanser, you do have the fat water, which is the moisturizer. I don't have it out here. And you also have the moisturizer as well, which is just all you need, okay? And the 3-piece system from Fenty Beauty will change your life, okay? If you have sometimes those stubborn pimples, you know, sometimes it's hurting, it's not popping out yet, but it's just under the surface of the skin. In a matter of days, that is going to disappear if you use that Fenty Beauty skincare system. So if you want to start with that, you can do that as well. Start with the vitamin A and E serum from Sephora, and then the moisturizer, and use that for at least 6 to 8 weeks, and you're going to see a big difference in your skin. And when you realize that your skin is beginning to clear up, then you can incorporate other things into your skin just for maintenance, because now the products that I'm using on my skin right now is just for maintenance, okay? And it's also very important that you use a face mask, and this is from Manadaka, I think it's called. And this is an amazing face mask. I have 2 of these. I do have one in my office, and I do have one here at home, which is this one here. And so especially in the summertime, I like to have my face mask in my bag, because sometimes you might be out, let's say with your friends. I have been sitting on a patio with my friends in the summer. I took out my face spray and I went like that, and people are like, what the hell are you doing? And I'm just like spraying my face down. Okay, I don't really care. It's nothing harmful I'm doing, right? So face mist is very important. One of the most important, most beautiful face mist is from Osea. This is a sea mineral mist. I talked about this several times. This is an amazing mist to have when you're going out, let's say with your friends in the summertime, and you want to be able to just maintain your makeup to be set and look matte all the time without even shifting. Just spray a little mist on your face, just like so. And this is not going to shift your makeup, but it's just going to keep you cool, and it's just going to make your skin feel beautiful. This mist again is from Kodali. This is a beauty elixir. Just before you put your makeup on, or you can spray this on afterwards as well. I talk about this to death. This is an amazing mist to have. And I also like to use this glow mist from Pixie. This is also a good one, and this really helps to give your skin just this beautiful glow, especially when the sun's just hitting your skin. It looks so pretty, absolutely gorgeous. So these are some options for you guys, okay? And if you want to incorporate things like exfoliants, you can use this product here from Paula's Choice. This is a 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. When you wash your face, okay, and you put on your serums, you put on your exfoliant on top, and then you go in with your moisturizer. I like to use this at nighttime. This is an amazing option, and this lasts a very long time. This Versed toner works similar to the toner from Fenty Beauty, which is this one right here. This is, I think it's all in one. This is coconut water bamboo extract, and this is a toner. This helps to hydrate, and this helps to remove your makeup as well. So these two are my two recommendations for you guys. And back to peels. This is the 2% BHA exfoliant. And this Glow Peel Pads from Sephora is another option for you guys. You can start to incorporate these things after you see that clarity on your skin, because first you want to be able to get rid of the problems first before you start adding anything else to your skin. And then this is one of those products I talk about from L'Oreal Paris. This is the Bright Reveal, and I use all of these products just to help to maintain. It's very important that you follow those steps. Don't just go willy-dilly and buy things and all of a sudden you're having this irritation. The Fenty Beauty 3-piece system is a very mild system for all skin types. Again, start with that, and that 3-piece system is going to change your life like you would not believe, and you are going to see the clarity on your skin like nobody's business, okay? And then over time you can start to incorporate things like face masks, and don't use face masks that will peel off your skin and leave your skin dry and irritated. That is not the face mask that you should be using. I highly, incredibly highly recommend the face mask from Garnier Skin Active. I've done demonstration on those masks for you guys before. I'm going to link the video somewhere in this video for you guys, or it's going to be down below. And when you remove the face mask, you don't have to wash it off. You just have to massage the rest of the products into your skin, okay? Times have changed. Technology have changed. Products nowadays have no dyes, no alcohols, no parabens, nothing harmful in your skin. And again, when you are shopping for skincare products, look for ingredients. If the ingredients have things like alcohol, do not buy. That is going to irritate your skin, okay? Look for things like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, papaya extract, coconut water, all of these different things that will really help to maintain some clarity on your skin, whereby you would see results. It's very important that you do that. For me personally, I would never get rid of this micellar water from Sephora. This is like a #1 face cleanser for me. I mean, this does magic for my skin, okay? And so I am testing out 2 products right now, and you would have seen 1 or 2 of these products on my Instagram page, okay, or maybe on TikTok. And this is from Vasanti. This is the Best of Youth Brightening Moisturizer. Guys, I'm telling you, first of all, I love the package, because of course it's nice and floral on the inside. This looks really cute, okay? And this is the product right here, Best of Youth Brightening Moisturizer. Let me bring that close so you guys can see it, okay? It's about $49. It's not a bad price for a drugstore product, okay? And I'm using it, so let me just put a little bit of this on my hand, okay? Just like so. You don't need to put a whole lot. And then I put just a little bit of this all over my face, and then I'm going to massage this in. This feels amazing on my skin. I use a little bit of this during the day, but I go in a little bit heavy at night. It makes my skin feel so pretty. And this is a product here from Vasanti. This is a brightening moisturizer, okay? And this is my, I would say, 2nd week using this product, and I love what I see. And also from Vasanti, I'm loving this brand so much. This is the Brighten Up Aloe Cleanser. I don't know what's in this thing, but it works. I don't know what's in it. The Vasanti Brighten Up Aloe Cleanser. I have no idea what's in this thing, but this really works. The first time I put this on my skin, I was like, oh my God, and this is non-scented. You put a little bit of this on my hands. It just goes on my brush in the bathroom, my face brush, and you massage this in. And it gives you a really beautiful lather all over your face. And again, a little bit of this goes a long way. And I massage this all over my face, just in the corners of my nose, under my eyes. And when you rinse this off of your skin feels like butter. I don't know what's in this product, but it is really good. It is incredibly good. Oh my God, Vasanti, I love this product. And guys, I recommend these two products for you. This is again the Aloe Brighten Up Cleanser, and this is the Brightening Moisturizer. Two of my beauty loves. My beauty loves from Vasanti. If I'm going to be alone on a beach somewhere, I have to have these products. I mean, I have to have these products by my side. If I have to be lost in the woods somewhere, it has to be these two, and they are magic. And I recommend these products for you guys to try, okay? And always try to have some cotton pads with you whenever you're using your toners, which is really important. And another serum that I also like to use is from Avni, and this is a hydrating serum. This serum does not burn nor sting. It does not do any of that stuff to your skin. And again, any skincare products that you use on your skin, if it's burning or you're getting a breakout or it's irritating or something negative on your skin, please throw it out. It means there is something in that product that it's not working. Your skincare products should not irritate your skin. It should really enhance your skin and clear up your skin and stuff like that. All right. I do have a giveaway in this video today, and you are going to be receiving, this is a skin brightening vitamin E face mask. Okay. This is an ultra soft makeup remover towel. This is a pure silk glass nail set, okay? And you will also be receiving a Juicy Balm lip gloss from Essence. I'm going to be leaving all of these things in the description box for you guys, but they are also going to be on my website. My giveaways sometimes are not on this YouTube channel. It's going to be on my website, so please check out the website. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you guys as well. And I forgot to mention, and I am testing out this toner. This is a brightening pore minimizing toner from Vasanti, and I'm testing this out, so I'm going to let you guys know how I feel about that one as well. But from what I see with these two products, I am basically hooked. Okay, now I get questions about, what do I use on my units? What do you spray on your units? Let me tell you quickly, and it's going to be down below for you. This is from Dove. This is a breakage remedy for my natural hair, but I use this on my units anyways. This is a leave-in treatment, but I find this keeps my hair nice and soft. This is a leave-in treatment from Carol's Daughter. It's going to be down below for you guys. This is the JVN Mist, and I think I got this from Sephora. This really helps to detangle and keep my hair nice and moisturized. And sometimes I go in with the Cream of Nature Anti-Humidity. This is the Gloss and Shine Mist. Okay, I'm going to leave all of these things in the description box for you guys. And I use these things on my units, especially the ends, and keep it nice and soft and beautiful and hydrated, because I have these units for such a long time, and these products really works well. If it works well on your natural hair, it's going to work well on your units. Okay? So I am going to leave everything we talk about today in the description box, just in case you guys want to pick up one or two things. And I do hope this video was helpful, just in case you want to try some products and start your skincare journey, and some options for you guys as well. And the giveaway would be on sassyover55.com. Please check it out. Randomly, I'm going to select someone to receive these beautiful products. And I picked these up from the dollar store, by the way. And one of you guys are going to be getting these in the mail. And I think we've covered everything. And face wipes are important. Okay, these are from Simple Kind of Skin. Or sometimes I just use the generic ones as well. I mean, you can just pick up any one. And I always say, when all fails, I always go back to Simple Kind of Skin. But my skin is just doing really well right now. And I showed you guys the two products I'm testing out. And I'm loving these products. They are so good. Okay, so we are going to leave it here for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you pick up a few things from this video as well. And please come back next week for another video. And again, don't forget to sound off in the description box below. I shall see you next time. Toodles.